in this video, I'm going to show you how to create app script triggers here in Google Sheets. So in previous videos, I've already shown you how to create app script with the help of AI, so you don't have to have coding backgrounds, or you don't have to have any knowledge about JavaScript. I have created a script for this spreadsheet right here, where I wanted to highlight the values that are over 60,000 in my salary column right here. Now, the problem with the script that I've created is that it only runs once. The script will be run once it's finished. So even if I edit this part right here, I'm going to make it over 60,000, maybe 65. Press enter. There you go. No changes has happened, even though I do have that special function that should highlight all the values that are over 60,000. So what happened is that the script only runs once and that's it. So what I want to do is to let that script run every time there are changes made on this spreadsheet, or specifically on this column. So if I do make changes like this edit right here, I want it to be highlighted in purple as well. So to change that, we actually have to create a trigger for that script. And that trigger will help run that script every time an edit is made on the spreadsheet. And to do that, we have to open our app script. So to open app script, just go to extensions and click on this one right here. Once you do that, it will open on another tab. So here we are with our app script. This is our editor. And if we go to the left side, we will see our triggers. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, our fourth row. Click on that. And here we have it. So this is where we can create our trigger. Just click on add trigger here at the bottom right corner. Here we go. So choose which function to run. This is the function that I created with AI. Which deployment should run? It should be in the head from the spreadsheet. And the only thing that we're going to change here is the select event type. So again, we want this function to run whenever there's an edit happening in that spreadsheet. So whenever the spreadsheet is edited, it will run the same function right here. So if you do have other functions that you've saved in AppScript, you can see them right here. But at the moment, this is the only one that I have, so that's the only option I have. So once you're done, click on Save at the bottom right corner. And here we have it. So we have one trigger functioning right here that if anything is edited on that spreadsheet, it will run the same function right here. If I go back to my spreadsheet right here, there you go. It hasn't recognized the edit that I've created because I did create it before I created the trigger. So if I edit this again to, let's say, 64,000, press enter, there you have it. It has run the same script, which will highlight again any amount that is over 60,000. If I were to add another value on this column right here, because this applies to the entire salary column. If I put in, let's say, 60,500, press enter, there you have it. It has formatted or highlighted our cell or this value because it's over 60,000. And that is how you can create AppScript triggers for your custom functions here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.